guys, welcome back to our channel. You say hello. Hi. Today we are here to do grocery shopping for a family of 4. Let me show you what it costs. This is a weekly grocery shopping, remember. This is one of the week that you quickly need to pick some items aside the monthly grocery shopping that you've done. So let me show you what grocery shopping for family of 4 cost here in Canada. This is plantain, but it's not right. And I don't know how many number of days it's going to use. Luckily, we found another one here. Egba.
Yeah.
Oh, mama, chicken.
Obìnrin pẹ̀lú iṣu ọjọ́ tí mo ti ń rọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ wálé mi ìwò tó báyìí rí mo kàn máa mú méjì tí mo fẹ́ràn á dẹ̀ máa lọ.
Then this one is cheap.
Okay. That's
And this bunch of apple, $6. Blue Canadian Store is currently doing a program via the PC Optimum where you collect some digital stamps. For every $20 you spend, you are going to get 1 stamp. So if you get like 20 stamps, you're going to bring it here to take a pot. If you want to know more, check PC Optimum to read more. So here I'm picking what my 20 stamps will take. I'm doing gift exchange, like a secret Santa in my church tomorrow. Maybe I should present this. How much is it? 26. Should be no tax now, I'm barely. So if you're looking for fish, this one, but so you can try this one. It's like obokun, Nigerian type of obokun fish. If you are looking to try out new thing this Christmas, try this fish. It is $7. $7. So you should try it out. I have some in my freezer, so I'm not getting it. And they have other types of fish. This is milkfish. This one, no. And this is tilapia. We have 3 in this one, and it is $11. If you are looking at trying something out for Christmas. Oh, ṣé kò ṣe panla wọn lélẹ̀ níbí rẹ̀? Ó ṣe wá gbẹ̀bí ẹni tí ò fojú mọ̀ yẹ́ báyìí. Lórí ni.
wọ́n ń ṣe panla.
Panla ni ìwò.
Panla Nàìjíríà ló wọ́n.
Ó ní panla Nàìjíríà ló máa jẹ́. It looks like panla sha. Another one. Before we continue, let me introduce you to Dohzy, a financial services customized for Africans in diaspora. Please check their website to learn more.
We are the African diaspora. We come from rich cultures and traditions, but we have overcome a lot to be here, to provide better opportunities for our children, support our family back home, or just to better ourselves. This journey we share has been hard for a lot of us, especially financially. We know, as the diaspora, that we face unique financial challenges, but there are limited resources to help us through this financial journey. This is why we built Dohzy, financial services customized for the diaspora. We support the financial health of individuals, families, and businesses of the diaspora through services that allow you to get, save, and grow financially.
So life kini àwọn kini rẹ̀.
Yep.
Kini bá wá jẹ ní kini yẹn kan lè. So you can try this one. $20. Wow. Trying a new meal for the Christmas. This is your call to come around and try them. Thank
What's on your mind?
you.
Can I read it from your eyes?
They are the odds.
Can we lay and make the time stand still? What if we stay?
This is egg.
Pretend there's nothing
$10.22.
Milk.
These are a bowl of ice creams. In case you want to try out. And this time around, no GST. Mo lè wo fídíò tó bá jọ ní ìlú. Nǹkan mú wọn lẹ́yìn kankan. Àwọn eléyìí náà ṣe noodles. Wow. Which juice do you give your children? If you are looking to try out juice for your kids, this is Oasis. It has 40 in a pack and it's just $17. You can try out other ones too. Almost they are same price, different types of it. This is not bad too, the orange one. They have lots of juice to choose from for your kids. And these are snacks for your kids.
What's on your mind? Can I read it from your eyes? Can we lay and make the time stand still? What if we stay? Pretend there's nothing else. What's on your mind? What's on your mind? Can I read it from your eyes? Can we lay and make the time stand still? What if we stay? Pretend there's nothing else.
How much spent?
This is so much actually.
99.61.